Welcome back to Shantae's Travel Things, because you know your girl always travels with things. Yeah, I guess I gotta work on that tagline. So I'm gonna make this short, and basically right before I start every week, I'm gonna give you guys a little intro video to tell you about what items I'm gonna be making this week, so I can let you guys know, what new projects I'm working on, or if I'm working on something that a product I already have on my online store. But before we get started on this video, you know what time it is. Theme music. So this week we're going to be working on shoulder crossbody backpacks. So they are these backpacks that I make that you can use it as a shoulder bag, crossbody bag, and then you can even turn it into a backpack. Like so, you just put one of the straps, doesn't matter which side, with a little loop at the bottom of the bag, and then now you have a backpack. Shoulder crossbody backpack. I actually had this idea when I was on vacation a few years ago. I think I went to Dubai, and I was just like, had this cute little shoulder bag, and I was just like, oh, it's so adorable, back to my outfit. But it didn't match my outfit every day I was there, and I was just like, oh, I wish I had like a backpack so I can kind of like hide it on my back so I don't have to throw my bag away for the pictures. And I was like, oh, and there's no bags that converts, and I was just like, I'll just make it. So all of my ideas for my product, it basically just ideas that I've had just myself. Yeah, that's pretty much it. My goal is to make 20 of them in these next 2 weeks, so hopefully I get it done. I am going to try to work on my book as well, so who knows. But yeah, that's the goal. I'm going to try to get 20 done in these next 2 weeks. Bye! This video is sponsored by Shantae's Travel Things, the only website where you can get everything you need for your next upcoming trip, whether it's backpacks, duffel bags, neck pillows, sleep masks, fanny packs, passport wallets, everything you need, get it at shantaestravelthings.com.